Hey, welcome back to Beyond Business Insurance, the channel that is going to make you a better buyer of your business's insurance. Hit subscribe below so you don't miss any of my future content as well. Let's get into this. Broker of record letters, agent of record letters. If you've dealt with insurance, you're probably familiar. So what is it? What does it do? It's a letter that essentially fires your current agent and hires another agent. You probably already know this, but insurance companies can only work with one agent at a time. So if you have a plumbing business and you're with X insurance company, that agent that put you with X insurance company is that exclusive broker or agent that carrier will talk with and work through. If you're upset with your current agent and you want to change, it can be any time of year, well, you can fire your agent. And you do that via a broker of record letter. So you would draft up a letter and talk with another agent and say, hey, I want you to represent me. So you just have to sign that letter, put it on your letterhead, send it to the carrier, and in usually 5 to 10 business days, you'll have a new agent assigned to you that you want to work with, and your current agent is fired. Okay. The second reason that you'd sign a broker of record letter is if you are trying to get quotes, let's say, and you have an agent that you're working with, right? But you're talking to another agent, and you want them to go shop for you. Well, if that other agent goes to the marketplace and they can't get quotes from a certain carrier because your current agent has already gone there, that new agent might ask you to sign a broker of record letter giving them access to that carrier. Now, before you sign this letter, understand that your current agent has already gone to that same market. So you need to ask yourself, do I want my current agent to just go to that market, or do I want this new agent to go to that market? If you want the new agent to go to that market, well, then you're going to have a broker of record letter signed by yourself to giving this new agent access to that market. Now, the third situation is maybe you're happy with your current agent, you're talking to another agent, you want to get quotes again. This other agent gathers information, goes to the marketplace. Well, then, a couple days later, your current agent calls you and says, hey, Bob, I was trying to shop your insurance this year. I was blocked at another carrier that I tried to get a quote from. And they might ask you to sign a broker of record letter giving them access to that market that this other agent you're talking to has already gone to. So the broker of record letter gives you power as a business owner to basically make an instantaneous decision on who's representing you with your current carrier, but also who has the ability to access a new carrier and to get quotes from that new carrier. Because as you know, insurance carriers will only deal with one agent on any given renewal period. They'll only accept one submission from one agent. So a broker of record letter gets a bad rap a lot of times. Don't ever be duped into signing one. If an agent is trying to sneakily get you to sign a piece of paper so they can get quotes, they're lying, right? You don't need to sign anything to get quotes. Maybe the applications, but that's it. You can even get those at binding if it makes sense. So the only time you ever want to sign a broker of record letter is if you want to fire your current agent or you want to change who has access to a certain market. So just understand that. I'll talk about blocking of markets in a future video, but I think it's important to first understand what a broker of record letter does exactly and what you're doing when you sign it. Also, one last note on it is if you sign a broker of record letter because maybe you want to fire your agent, you're just not happy with their service. When you sign that letter, you're giving this new agent that comes in the ability to service your account and to market your account in a timely fashion so you don't have to deal with that other agent. Now, the other agent that put that policy in effect is going to get paid their commission through the end of that year. So you're not taking money off their plate. And that new agent that you put on that letter is essentially kind of working for free until your new policy takes place. So this is broker of record letters. Don't hate them. I think they're a great tool if you understand what you're signing. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.